Welcome back to its Biswajit Vlogs channel. Bitcoin just crossed a critical threshold, and it's flashing major warning signals that you can't afford to ignore. From plunging momentum to broken support, we are now on the brink of something much bigger than a simple dip. This isn't fear-mongering. The charts are screaming it loud and clear. Let's start with the 4-day and weekly Bitcoin charts. For weeks, we've seen signs of a slowdown. Momentum indicators like the MACD are weakening, and bearish divergences on the RSI are becoming more obvious. Every time we've seen this combo before, a multi-week pullback has followed. In fact, this exact setup marked the beginning of the 2022 bear market. Right now, Bitcoin has broken below key liquidity zones and is struggling to hold the $101,000 to $102,000 support range. If it closes below that on the daily chart, we may be witnessing the end of this bullish trend. The 3-day MACD is inching closer to a bearish crossover. If confirmed, history suggests we're heading for either a sideways consolidation or a deeper correction, similar to what happened at the end of 2024. The key support levels to watch now are $98,000 and $92,000. A daily close below 101K would officially flip this structure bearish. A big deal because that would mark the first trend reversal since the mid-April breakout. On the heat map, liquidity at $103,000 has already been wiped. With no major liquidity zones nearby, the path ahead is, well, kinda murky and risky. So what's the game plan? My previous long from $88,000 is still open, but I've locked in over $10,000 in profit with a trailing stop. If Bitcoin drops below $100,000, that position auto-closes, and I'm either switching to a short or waiting to re-enter lower. ETH is stuck in a sideways pattern with support at $2,400 and resistance at $2,800. If it loses $2,400, next stops are $2,100 and even $1,800. No breakout signs yet, just a slow bleed. SOL just lost its key support at $143. If this break holds, watch out for $133 and $125. There's a hint of bullish divergence on the 8-hour chart, but it's unconfirmed and, honestly, pretty fragile. Ripple is forming a textbook head and shoulders pattern. A close below $2.14 could trigger a move down to $1.76. That's a 15% drop from current levels. It could be a solid short setup. Link is breaking down from its golden pocket. If $12.80 breaks, $12.20 is next, and under that, we could dip to $10. Short-term relief rallies may come, but the structure is still bearish. So what's the takeaway? We're seeing weakness across the board. This isn't just a Bitcoin issue. Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Chainlink are all following suit. The bear signals are stacking up. If the trend continues, it's a perfect time to protect your profits, or even consider short trades. But as always, wait for confirmation before jumping in. The goal isn't to predict every move, it's to react strategically. And remember, whether prices go up or down, there's always a way to profit. Longs, shorts, breakouts, breakdowns, we cover it all here. Stay one step ahead of the market. Subscribe to its Biswajit Vlogs channel, turn on notifications, and never miss your daily crypto edge. This isn't just a chart, it's your roadmap. Until next time, stay smart, stay safe, and stay profitable.